I'm Dr. Ravi Singh from Balrampur and Lucknow, India. And today I am before you to present my work on LM potencies. So this morning I am seeing from the different meeting rooms that many speakers are presenting their work with evidence-based cases, but seldom I have seen anyone is using LM potencies. LM potencies are one of the potencies discovered by Hahnemann in the last edition of Organ of Homeopathy, and he has always advocated that this is the only potency which should be used with a caution in all the patients. There are many factors which has led that LM potency was not popped up. The one of the most important reason which you might not be aware that the Kent, whose homeopathy has governed homeopathy across the world, was unaware about the use of LM potency, because Kent died in the 1910 and this LM potency, 16 and LM potency was published, the edition was published 1922. So he was completely unaware, and later on Dr. Pierre Schmidt, Dr. R.P. Patel were instrumental in propagating this LM potencies in the world. So I am going to present before you the different cases, and these cases are with the has been treated with the classical homeopathy and with the LM potencies. So my purpose of presenting these cases is to establish the efficacy of homeopathy in LM potencies, and especially in the surgical diseases. I have chosen surgical diseases as my project because no one can deny that these are not the spontaneous cures which homeopathy has been alleged many times, that these are the spontaneous cures. Homeopathy has no role in such diseases. So I am going to present before you the different cases. So this is the first case of mine. This is a case of hemangioma. If you can please, can you put some light off on this screen? So this is the first case of hemangioma. This has been cured by this LM0/1 calcarea fluor. The second case of hemangioma, which is so-called surgical disease, has been cured by the calcarea fluor 0/1. This is a large case of diabetic ulcer cured by Shirleysia 0/1. Another case of diabetic foot. This is the worst condition of the diabetic foot. If you can see, this is the this case was treated by sulfur 0/1 LM potency. This is the efficacy of LM potency. This is another disease called as Buerger's disease. Buerger disease is a condition where there is obliteration of the arteries or end result of the arteries. There is some gangrenous tissues are occurring, and this is a case of Buerger disease. This is a very recent picture. This is a picture 2 days before. The first picture and the second picture, you can see the condition of the patient. This was the Buerger disease first visit, and this is the Buerger disease second visit 2 days before. This is a large case of abscess. You can see the first photo where there is a large case of abscess, and this case was treated with a medicine called as Calcarea sulphureticum 0/1 potency only. This is a case, you can see the different pictures from the different date condition. Now another condition, this is a very recent case, few months back, when patient came in a bedridden condition due to gastrointestinal bleeding, and in this particular case the condition was so bad, the patient was literally, I have seen the patient over the video call only, and this patient was bedridden, and this was the condition of the bed sore at the occipital region and the back also. And this is the condition. I have reporterized the case and established that GRIA 0/1 was selected as a constitutional medicine, and see that this is the condition how the patient was responding after few days, and this is the condition of the bed sore. If you can see the comparative pictures, and the patient walked again at my clinic. This was the bedridden patient with a bed sore. Bed sore is also considered as the end stage of the life. This is the condition of the patient. I am going to present before you another case of Hirschsprung disease, which disease is called as a surgical disease, where there is a ganglionic ganglions are not developed at the last part of the intestine, and this was a well diagnosed case. And see the condition of the Hirschsprung disease first visit. This is the X-ray, and the patient who has been responded very well. His digestion was not proper, and this was the, I have selected opium definitely after the repatriation, and see the picture of the patient, and the last report, no significant abnormality detected. This is a case of Hirschsprung disease and cured by opium 0/1. This is the last picture, and this boy go up. This boy go up. Now coming to the next surgical disease. This disease is called as varicocele. Varicocele, you must be very aware that this disease is due to the valvular failure in the scrotum vessels, and thus causes one of the leading cause for the infertility. There is no known cure except the surgery in the allopathy. They are nowadays performing microsurgery, but I have treated this case with the lycopodium 0/1, obviously with the repatriation and all those things. And see the 4th grade varicocele, the second report 3rd grade, and this is the last report with the normal report. And this is the repatriation chart of the patient where lycopodium 0/1 potency has been prescribed, and this case got treated.
अब आपका आज का बंद कर रहे हैं, ठीक है?
Another case, I have many cases of a surgical disease called as CSF rhinorrhea. CSF rhinorrhea, cerebrospinal fluid rhinorrhea, is a condition where the brain fluid which walks up your brain get leaked through your nose. This is a condition, and these are the different causes. Due to the paucity of time, I am skipping the slides. So this is the condition of the patient. You can see the CSF rhinorrhea condition, and I have treated her. And this is the second follow-up, and this was a well diagnosed case. This was the CT cysternography report, and this case got treated with the platina 0/1 was prescribed, and this is the last picture of the patient where patient got cured. What happens that I kind of present before you every case the after report of the CT cysternography, because most of the patients when they are getting cured, they usually don't go for the very painful condition of the CT cysternography for the prognostic. They always avoid, because this is very painful condition to get diagnosed with the CT cysternography. So this is one of the well diagnosed case with the before and after report. In this particular case, you can see that there is a defect in the cribriform plate in the left side of the brain, and this case I have treated with the silesia. You can watch the video of the patient.
कब से चालू है ये बात आपको?
The language of patient is Hindi.
क्या हुआ क्या?
Our local language. And this is the comparative report where this case got treated with the medicine silesia 0/1 in the LM potency. See the last report, CT cysternography reveals no significant abnormality.
इस बार आपका जो मेरे बाल लगा।
And this is another case of CSF rhinorrhea. You can see the nose, the brain fluid is dripping through the nose, and this case got treated with the help of LM potency.
Doctor sir.
And this and it's taking a slide because of the times they are video cases actually. With the different dates, interview of the patient. I have another case of CT cysternography and this CSF rhinorrhea. And see, this patient was coming at my clinic from the Churu, Rajasthan, about 1000 kilometers. And this is a study reveals defect measuring 1.5 in the cribriform plate. This was a well diagnosed case, and see how this CSF rhinorrhea was coming to the nose. And this case got treated with the medicine LM0/1 lycopodium. I am not using any rare or very unique remedies. These are the remedies which are very common in your practice, but it should be simillimum, not the similia, or not only similar. It must be simillimum. So this case got treated by the Silesia and
अच्छा शक्ल लाल जी अपनी कैसे हैं आप? कैसे प्राइलोरिया का केस था?
this is the last, and this is another case of CSF rhinorrhea from the Delhi, where this lady was coming to my clinic and you can see the CSF is dripping through the nose. This was also a well diagnosed case. If you can see the defect, polyp and defect size 2.5 mm in the right cuneiform plate with the fluid collection in the region. So I am presenting before you the cases which cannot be termed that these are the spontaneous healing, because they are well diagnosed by our allopathic brothers. And this is a case which got treated with the Silesia LM0/1. LM potencies are one of the best potency where there is no chances of aggravation. And in this particular report, if you can see, there is no defect in the CT cysternography report. This is the final. He is saying there is no leakage from the vein. After follow-up after many months. Another case of CSF rhinorrhea. See, the patients are coming with a gauge piece in the nose where there is a definite CSF leak, and I have ordered for the CT cysternography, and she underwent that particular report and see the condition how the CSF was leaking through the nose. At my clinic, you can see this was the CSF leak, and this case was treated with a Platina 0/1 in the LM potency according to the constitution, according to the symptom. I am taking most of the time in the CSF rhinorrhea case the rubric hydrocephalus. There is no direct rubric for the CSF rhinorrhea in the repertory. I am using hydrocephalus because in the hydrocephalus what happens, there is an increase of the CSF pressure in your brain, and this is the one of the leading cause for the CSF rhinorrhea. That's why this is the most similar rubric I am taking in my repertorization chart. This is the final condition. And
कैसी तबीयत है आपकी? आप किसी तरह का कोई CSF लीक वगैरह तो नहीं आपको?
she is saying there is no
कोई
CSF
प्रॉब्लम नहीं
leak.
है। ठीक है, तो आपका ट्रीटमेंट भी हमने कल बंद कर दिया है जैसा आपने बताया था।
आप बताइए।
और आप
This is a condition. I am again coming before you with a very unique and very new disease which you might never seen in your life. This disease is called as chyluria. Chyluria or milky urine disease. There is lymphatic fistula between your intestine and kidney, and the lymph or the fat which are getting absorbed from the intestine are directly draining through the urine via the kidney, and this disease is called as chyluria or milky urine disease. Sometimes there is hematuria as well, because sometimes the blood clots are also coming, and this is the condition. The patient are coming with this blood clot. This is the patient, and where I have prescribed phosphorus 0/1, obviously according to the symptom, repertorization, and see the condition of the
हाइड्रोरिया ठीक हो गया आपका? चलिए, बहुत अच्छी बात है।
लेकिन उसमें टेस्ट कराने क्या
a condition called as blepharospasm. Why I am saying this blepharospasm condition as a surgical disease? Because sometimes there is a lid retraction surgery or some lid lifting surgery, and this condition has no known cure in the world. Only the known cure or known management is the Botox injection, where there is only 3 months observation with the Botox injection. That injection has side effects as well. There are many. It is not cost effective as well. This was the condition I have treated from the Ahmednagar online, and this is the condition of the patient. Blepharospasm, blinking of the eyes, and this patient got treated.
कैसी हैं आप?
एकदम बढ़िया सर।
कितना आराम हुआ आपको?
70% तो हो गए।
This is the 70% of first follow, and this case was treated with the medicine LM0/1, LM potency in the 0/1. This is the last follow where the patient got cured. I can show these cases in the very detail, but I have to sum up my presentation in 20 minutes. That's why. So, in the conclusion or in the nutshell, LM potencies has been found highly effective in the surgical disease. No aggravation observed, which is common in centesimal scale. Homeopathy treats the surgical disease with a non-invasive process. These are the very few cases. I think I have left with more times. Yeah, there are some question and answer session as well. Okay, so and one more thing which I want to stress, that I am using this LM potency with somewhat very different process at my clinic for the prescription. That method is called as medicine transfer through hair. I never prescribe oral medicine to any of my patients. I am treating all my patients with different process that called as medicine transfer. One medicine is taken in a glass vial like this, and then one of the hair of the patient is inserted in this particular glass vial, and the patient are treated from a distance only, not with the oral LM potency. LM potency are used, but from a distance. This method is called as Sahani effect of a discoverer. More information can be found through the web, some web portal and my website as well. So this is the method, and I am in the time. There are different cases, more cases which I can show with this method. These are the different diseases. This is a case of polycystic ovary disease, and this is a case treated by the Lycopodium 0/1. Appendicitis. Sorry. 4 minutes. Okay. Appendicitis is called as surgical diseases, and this case was treated with a sulfur 0/1. I never prescribe oral medicine with this centesimal or decimal scale. I always used to prefer this LM potencies because of recommendation by our master Hahnemann, as well as because there is no chances of aggravation, especially in such cases where there is a urgent need of hospitalization. This is a case, another case of appendicitis, a case of pyogenic granuloma. If you can appreciate the condition of the patient from the different pictures, a case of flat wart cured by the calcarea curve 0/1, another case of ugly flat wart. This is another case. These are the different cases of flat wart. You can see this was the condition before and this was the condition after. This case got treated with the carcinosin 0/1 in the LM potency. This is another case, another flat wart. These are the vitiligo cases which are getting treated with the pulsatilla 0/1. This case is getting treated with the pulsatilla 0/1. You can see, appreciate the condition. So, thank you for your patience listening. There are some questions and
Yes, so in terms of what you were saying is that you treated with the LM, 1LM, most of these patients, but you're taking a hair of the patient and putting it in the solution. You're not giving any dosage to the patient.
Yeah, this is a new method. This method has been invented by Dr. B. Sahni of Patna in the 1967. There are different people, different doctors in the India who are practicing with this method. This is in the line of Hahnemann, when Hahnemann has said that the homeopathic medicines are nothing but the dynamic influence. If you go through the 6th section of Organon, in the footnote of 11th aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann has indicated clearly homeopathic medicines are nothing mechanical nor material. These are only the dynamic influence which are acting just like a piece of magnet attracting to the iron piece. So Dr. B. Sahni was in the thought process that if the homeopathic medicines are coming in the form of energy only, then energy is not a commodity to be eaten by mouth. We have many medicines in the homeopathy which are produced only by energy. We have the source of homeopathy as imponderabilia, which you are most of are aware. X-ray medicine, there's lunar medicine, that magnet medicine, that there are different medicines which are coming from the. We are putting the milk powder in front of moon only, and that medicine get potentized. Even the medicines which have no.
I think that will go into a really very expensive discussion.
Only 2 minutes.
I don't think we have the time to go into that, but I think that your cases are really interesting. But I think we're really far from a scientific standpoint to argue that point at this point. So I think that we will have to leave it there because we have 4 other potencies, and we didn't have time for other people to ask questions for the other presenters. So if anybody else has any other questions for Dr. Singh or any?
Yes, sure, please.
Where is the Thank you.
Thank you so much for that. I wanted to find out, so you prescribed LM1. Did you ever go up in the potency?
Sometimes I go, actually not needed more than LM3. Although Dr. R.B. Patel has recommended you should go start with the LM3 and you can go up to 30. But when there is no need, if I am getting the result, I usually start with LM1, and if I am getting the result with LM2, LM3, LM2. LM3 is not just like it is from 30 to 100. From the LM1 to LM3 is a huge difference because of its dilution ratio.
So if you're seeing improvement, you stick to the same potency?
Yeah, definitely. And in the oral doses, it is always advised to get the 10 times jerk for increases for the successive potencies. But in this transfer method, there is no need.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Any other questions for the other presenters, for Dr. Ikram or President Zamiansky or Kagar or Dr. Torres?
Dr. Ravi, very well, thank you for this very nice presentation. I want to ask one question only. Do you have any other remedy used for this hemangioma cases? Like
No,
phosphorus,
actually,
hematite?
what happens that most of the time the patients who are children are about 5 to 6 months. It is hard to get the symptoms. We have to work over the sign off. Sometimes we have to work over the therapeutic doses. So these two cases, although I have took the mother's history, their sleeping patterns, their all this, their stool pattern, all these things, but most of the time I have prescribed therapeutically with the calculator.
Thank you. One thing I want to add in your presentation. Actually, Dr. Ravi Singh presented intestinal obstruction cases also. So that is very true because I have also treated that type of cases. Day after tomorrow, I have also presented of this case. Thank you, Dr. Ravi Singh. Very good presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Harvey. Please
Levi.
have another questions to Dr. Rene to